Lanja House by Articulated Design Initiative, ADI, in Lanja, India. Located in the rural farmlands on the outskirts of Ratnagiri. The brief for this project was to create an ancestral home that blends in with the tranquil surroundings of Lanja. The idea was to build a place that would revive childhood nostalgia. A crucial aspect of the project was that it had to be budget-friendly. The house, with an overall built-up area of 1100 square ft, was constructed on a budget under 30 Indian rupees lakhs. Raised above the ground, the house provides a vantage point that frames the lush foliage outside. Built with a composite load-bearing construction technique on a laterite stone foundation, it helped reduce damage to the red fertile soil. The house capitalizes on locally available indigenous materials and, more importantly, utilizes materials familiar to the area's inhabitants and best suited for the site's extreme climate conditions. Laterite stone, locally available within 10 kilometers of the construction site, has been predominantly used for walls. RCC beam has been incorporated for the lintel, which supports the MS roof structure and the Mangalore tiles. The house has an east-west orientation. The house's main entrance leads you to a spacious living area, with clerestory windows along the eastern side that provide abundant morning sunlight. Large window openings with high ceilings enable cross-ventilation and make the house appear spacious. The contemporary implementation of traditional materials accentuates the simplicity of the house. The exposed laterite finish sets a very natural backdrop, and being sustainably conscious, not even a single tree on site was cut down or disturbed from its position. This architectural expression is carried throughout the interior detailing as well. Combining locally sourced teak wood furniture, modern furnishing elements, and curated artwork brings this house together.